Thank you so much for making it this far into the video. Now, I have a few points for you that I thought would be interesting to know, since I've kind of had the full cycle experience with MIMII London, and I wanted to just let you know. So this is actually a second video that I'm doing for them, because the first video, everything in that video was returned, and I'll tell you why. All good things, nothing bad, it's just really purely a little selfishness. So the reason why I returned the first box was because I went back on their site because I was looking for a birthday outfit, and then I saw that they're doing 50% off across the entire site. I was like, what? Like, what? So I was like, right. This is literally the day after I finished filming, because I had done the unboxing and I had showed you guys what is what. I was like, right, like, I'm not keeping this, I'm gonna return it, and I'm gonna look properly to see what exactly is on there that I can just get 50%. I took my time ended up being a couple of days, and then when I went back after a couple of days, it said that there was a 30% discount code available on top of the 50% running across the entire site. You know when you're just like, what? Like what? Yeah, so you're going to go back this box and we're gonna get the discounted items. So that's basically what I did. I paid for the return, so that's something you need to remember, that you are going to pay for your returns. They ship it to you through DHL, which I love. Any company that sends you your items through DHL, they respect you, they respect themselves, they respect the items they're giving you, because DHL. Anyway, so I paid for the returns, as you likely do as well. You just write the address. I haven't had the refund yet, so I'll probably need to follow up. I don't know. I hope I've done it right, because sometimes some companies want you to email them to tell them you're returning, but if I read the instructions correctly, there wasn't anything like that. You just had to return. In the meantime, I ordered a box, which is the box you've just seen, because of my birthday, and this I really loved, and I loved, and I needed a coat. I needed a camo coat, something I've really been wanting to add to my wardrobe for the longest time. And since I had known now about their quality and just the attention to detail, I was comfortable getting their coat. I'm really happy overall, and I'm really happy about everything that I've gotten in this second box. I was very happy about everything in the first box. It's just that I felt I'm at home most of the times, and I just need comfort wear. When I do go out, it's like going out. So I need the satins, I need the chiffons, and that's why I purchased something different in my second purchase. Not that there was anything wrong at all. Please note, this is not sponsored. This is purely my coin, my opinion, genuine thoughts and genuine experience. Last but not least is the fact that I really noticed that there was zero plastic, apart from the plastic that was outside, which is where the box was inside, with the address and stuff. So that's very impressive. Usually companies are putting each individual item in a plastic. I understand why. I think it's because it will be stored that way in the warehouse, so they just pick up, you know. But this looks individually folded into your box. Again, the attention to detail, you can really feel it coming through, and the sticker on the tissue paper, it's beautiful. I really hope you are enjoying these unboxing experiences, because a lot of effort clearly goes into packaging when a company cares like that, and I think MIMII London is one of those companies. So I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, let me know if there's anything else you would like to see, thoughts, questions. What's your experience if you've ever ordered from them? If you haven't, what are your questions? What are you concerned about? Let me know. Until next time, next week Sunday, 6 p.m. Bye.